Maitland Regional Art Gallery is a gallery with 11 exhibition spaces across 2 levels. The gallery has been in this location for 10 years. We also do large events, conferences, and other functions. So our previous sound system, it was a paging system rather than a sound system. It didn't work for us at all, really. We were asking it to do things that it just didn't have the capacity to do. We would have large events and people weren't able to hear what the speakers were saying, or people would hire the space and they would then not be happy with the output of the sound as well. There was no way we were going to fix it without a complete upgrade. We knew that people were going to recognise the Bose speaker and sort of instantly associate quality with it, so that was really important for us.
The system in the cafe was designed for good coverage whilst performing well for background music. We utilised the Bose Design Max 8 subs alongside the Design Max 3 ceiling mount speakers. So the gallery has a custom interface in which they can set the rooms for different operating styles. So they can have a lectern at one end, at the other end, and it will adjust speakers independently for the best performance. The Bose EX1280, alongside a custom user interface, allows for control of each zone independently.
We have had a few small events and the sound system has been perfect. It's been so good. It's really nice to be able to welcome people into the space and feel confident that they're going to be able to hear what's happening and they're not going to walk out and complain because they couldn't hear what the artist or the director or anyone else was saying.
In a reverberant space like the gallery, zone segregation is very important. Bose Edge Max was the only product that could provide the right dispersion characteristics. It was important because multi-purpose zones are used simultaneously in the space.
The aesthetics of the building is really important. The Bose speakers that we had installed, they're just flush on the ceiling and don't impact at all in our exhibition display. I am absolutely thrilled with this new system and I just can't wait till we get this place full and people start saying how rapt they are with how it sounds, because the difference is exactly what we wanted.